So for today, I will tell you how to get rewards without watching ads. So first, you have to purchase an ad-free versions or subscriptions that offers the application, which is that removes advertisements and often provides some regular rewards. When you subscribe to services like YouTube Premium or VIP memberships in games, it can enhance your experience or just redeem some reward codes and promo codes by following the app's official social media pages or some Discord servers. And then, you can also use an offline mode if it is possible. For some offline games, turning off your Wi-Fi and mobile data can prevent your advertisements from being displayed while playing. This trick doesn't allow for online games, but it also works well for some standalone applications. And complete a non-ad task and some daily challenges. Some of the apps provide some rewards through your daily login, some missions and task achievements, and it focus on this task to maximize your earnings without dealing with ads. So, that's how to get rewards without watching ads.